For the last 2 years, we've been working on a video that is coming together here today. You've seen the title, you've seen the thumbnail. We went on a search after we did the gold play button video to find the headquarters for the YouTube Creator Awards.
We reached out to our friends at YouTube, and nothing seemed to be working until one day.
We saw this video on YouTube. Oh, what's inside? Those guys are really cool. I actually want to work with you guys.
So that is Paul, and he runs the YouTube Creator Awards.
Yeah.
We sent him an email, and BAM, within a few minutes, things went into the works.
Yeah.
And today, we are here.
Wow, look at this. It's absolutely stunning.
It's locked. Oh, hey. There he is. Hey, guys, how's it going?
What? What's up, Lincoln?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This is the guy.
This is Paul.
From one YouTube video where he said, "We want to work with you," to now we are in an undisclosed location.
Oh my gosh.
We've got all the blank awards here: silver, gold, and diamond.
Right.
Diamond play button, guys. We're gonna see this.
Are we allowed to even say how many are in here?
We're in an undisclosed location.
Check this out. Oh, these ones have it. Good job, Advanced Yoga. Good job, B News. And then a little card that it was inspected by someone. This was packaged with great care by Rick.
Who's Rick? Who's Rick? I'm Rick. There's Rick. Right there. Look.
Guys, if yours is ever inspected by Rick,
Here he is right here.
with care.
That's pretty cool.
What is this?
Yeah. Yororoshika.
There's your button right now being engraved. These right here do not have any engraving on them. These ones right here do. This machine is going across.
Pick one. Whatever name appears, we're subscribing to that channel. That one. That one. That one. Inside. Inside of there.
Oh, you're changing your mind. Are you sure?
KinaMaster for passing 100,000 subscribers. All right, Mr. KindMaster, we found you on YouTube. It looks like you do video editing things.
Lincoln, push the button. Boom. Subscribed. How about that?
The thing that I think is amazing, these are all legitimately going to a YouTube creator, somebody that spent the time and effort to make real videos and garnered enough interest from 100,000 people that they pushed that subscribe button. That's something that is just mind-blowing. You're not gonna find this from any other platform that is out there. Video, social platform.
Here's a couple of the gold play buttons.
Oh, I like how they're separate. It would be harder to cut open though.
Why do you always have to destroy stuff, Lincoln?
So this is actually UV sublimation printing.
We apply a coating and then ultraviolet light hits the chemical and it hardens, so that the printing is really durable. These things are supposed to last for a long time. It's such a big accomplishment. Here they come. Oh man, L of the Mills. L of the Mills. I totally know that channel. Check out this table right here. So these are all of the letters for the awards and all of the different languages.
Coded so that we know that we're giving the right letter to the right creator based on the language that they speak.
Why don't we get some white gloves for you guys and put some awards together?
Then if it's damaged, they call you?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's heavier than I thought. Don't drop it. I feel like there needs to be a bigger celebration.
Onto a lap, a victory lap. Let's go! Congratulations!
on 1 million subscribers. 1 million subscribers!
I'm gonna put it in the box. L, here you go. This is handled with care.
It's okay, they tell me.
We should not be allowed to do this.
Yeah.
They've seen what we do to buttons.
It's hard work, guys. I'm sweating up a storm. Who did a better job, Lincoln or me?
Kids Bop for the win.
Lincoln! Good job.
Did I ruin it that we can never use it again?
Oh, yes. You have to clean yours.
Packaged with love, with great care by Rick. Yeah, right, Rick. Not anymore, buddy. D-A-N. What's inside? Does Rick write those drawings on there?
What?
I don't think so.
What?
I don't think so.
I'm going to close the YouTube box. I can't do this job anymore. I'm not good at this.
I can color more.
We are about to enter uncharted territory. The Diamond Award.
10 million subscribers. If you hit 10 million subscribers, they send you a giant diamond-looking award. We are going to engrave a creator's name. Leave in the comments right now who you think this diamond play button is.
It's not every day that somebody hits 10 million subscribers. It is becoming more and more frequent now that more people are using YouTube.
The Fiber Laser 330 M2. I don't think we are qualified to do this. Rick, you're the man.
There's a laser on there that's centering it to make sure that it's perfect, guys.
Here we go. Looks about right. Yeah.
We try and make a really big deal out of them. Typically, it's at events.
So where do you keep the Ruby Awards?
Yeah. There is no Ruby Award.
Yeah.
That was a special one-off for that creator.
Yeah.
So what if someone else hits 50 million?
This is above my pay grade.
I want to ask about the Ruby. So here it is, the YouTube diamond play button for Casey.
It's in here.
I guarantee no YouTubers have ever taken it out of the headquarters. What would it take for us to be able to do that? Run, go! Bye, Paul. Thanks.